Welcome to 121 Beatty Downs Road. This is a 4-unit apartment building. Today we're going to be looking at unit number A, which is the downstairs unit on the left. This home is in the St. Andrews or Broad River Road area, Northwest Columbia. It's convenient to I-20 and I-26, just a quick commute to downtown and a quick drive to Harbison Boulevard as well. You also have parking right out in front of the building. I believe there are 2 spaces for each unit. So we'll take a look inside now. You have just a concrete sidewalk or walkway up to the front here, a couple steps up to your front door. So we're on the left here downstairs in unit A. So as you come into the home, you can see there's carpet in the living room. I'm not sure if I mentioned this, but this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home. So you have a closet here in the living room that has your water heater in there. Could possibly fit some other items in there as well, but it's mostly a utility closet. But you can see a nice sized living room, a couple of windows looking out towards the front of the property. And then it opens right up into your kitchen. You have tile flooring in the kitchen. Spacious as well. Enough room in here for a dining room table. You have electric appliances. There is an electric range or stove there, also a dishwasher and refrigerator, and some decent cabinet space. You have a window here at the back as well, and then on the other side you have a laundry closet with bifold doors. You have full-size washer and dryer connections in there. And then all of our bedrooms and bathrooms are on down the hall. So it's another utility closet there on the left, but this one does have shelving, so just sort of more of a linen closet. Then you have 2 bedrooms in this home. This is the master, faces the back of the property. It has a nice sized closet here, bifold doors on that side. And you can see the other side of the room there. Then you also do have a full bathroom that's attached. And excuse me, I said this before that it was a 2-bath home. This actually is a 1.5 bath. You do have a single sink there and medicine cabinet and commode as well, but not a full shower in this one. But you do have full shower and bathtub in the one right next door. So you can see the sink there. Again, the tile flooring there in the bathroom that's in the other one also. And then you have a shower and tub. Nice mirror there. And then last but not least, your 2nd bedroom, facing the front of the property. And then you also do have a closet against the wall there. And you can see it goes behind the door just a little bit there on both sides. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address here is 121 Beatty Downs Road, and this is apartment A. You can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com, or you can give us a call at 803-407-8522.